So there's two types of mediation. Usually there's lawyers involved. However, the first type of mediation is private mediation between the parties alone. What it looks like is the parties will obtain a mediator who is a trained professional who's able to guide the process of mediation. And mediation itself is a professional assisted negotiation. In simple words, it's facilitated negotiation. So that's why there's two types. Individuals can come in by themselves and try to resolve things on their own with the mediator, or they can come in with lawyers who will help them and advise them, and the mediator will facilitate the process. It's a fantastic way to resolve matters, and it's a little bit hard to say when it is best to have the mediation because it really depends on the case. Cases could be straightforward enough that it can be resolved in a week in the mediation, or in the same day in the very beginning of the matter, or just upon the parties separating. Or if the case is complex and there's issues like business division and corporate issues and financial issues and determination of income, it can take a little longer and it may require counsel involvement. It is recommended, of course, that the parties actually seek some counsel advice because mediators don't actually give advice. A lot of mediators are trained in family law. So if you have a family law trained mediator, they can actually guide the process and provide information on what is the amount of child support that's being paid, what are your incomes. They can help to determine all of those issues, create schedules, figure things out for the parties. In my experience, when individuals they've hired a private mediator, but they're doing it on their own, it usually takes a little longer because they will need to leave the office, get some legal advice, go back to the mediator, negotiate, leave again, get more advice, and come back again. It's absolutely okay to do that. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you want some help in advance and have already prepared situation to go ahead to talk to the mediator, then it's probably better to speak to a lawyer first and get to your position, know what your rights and obligations are, and go in with a prepared mediation brief to that mediator with or without that lawyer. When there is a lawyer involved, they are actually present in the room with you, and they will guide the process. They will prepare the mediation brief, they will talk to the mediator in advance, they will tell all the issues, and they will guide the entire process by providing advice and their opinions.